When the ball is here, Umfundo needs to drop so that he opens up his space la. Angithi. Sharp. I've seen this movie before from Kaizer Chiefs last season. Thing in Bonis. Everyone needs to keep their position. Angeke sizwe ama-player 2 amuvele endaweni eyi-1. Silver Fox needs to stay here. Angithi Silver Fox needs to stay there. Now Sharp, watch what will happen. Angithi uvile utropile la kune-space la. Now Cheslet no Villa angithi bakuphi uma have 10 positions, but now it is 2 against 1 here. Angithi it's 2 against 1. Okay, Sharp. This small, look at where this guy is. They play the ball. Your first touch should be there, not here. Angithi siphumile. The purpose is good siphume. They play the ball, siyaphuma. Then we go on attack. But your first touch iba kuphi usifaka bheka boo. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0. Good result for the Chiefs. I wouldn't say it was a great performance, but I saw Ezinchazile from the Kaizer Chiefs. I'm going to show you. I think I'm going to enjoy watching Chiefs this season. No, not the players, but the tactical adjustment is the crews. Something that I saw Chiefs this season and they did last season. Yeah, let me start. The first minute of the game. So we're gonna start by I'm gonna show you how Chiefs set up, right? So they set up in 2 ways. When they have the ball, when it's a goal kick, or when they have the ball their structure pambili, it is not the same, but don't worry, I'll show you. Now let's start. They were playing a 4-4-1-1. Now ball was from the right hand side, and it's Lizagupi to the left. Now you have Umfundo Villarreal playing as a what? As a right wing. But what he does, he moves in here, he tucks into the half 10 position. Then you have Umunyani pushing out wide. So they have a 3 set defenders. Even last season, same thing. Then you have Uveli Paila as a left wing. Then you have Uchislet here as a half 10. These two, they become half 10. Then this is their double pivot. And double pivot, these are their half 10 Zabo. Then Umunyani will push up. Sundowns now, it does this thing formation as well. When the ball is here, Umfundo needs to drop so that he opens up his space. And Sharp. I've seen this movie before from Kaizer Chiefs last season. Thing in Bonis. This was between Kaizer Chiefs and the TX Galaxy. So I'm gonna show you a still picture, right? Last season, this is how they were set up. Now, 1, 2, 3 set defenders, the double pivot. You have Umunyani here. Then here it was Ulilepo. Lo, Shabalala, this is Utuba, Silver Fox. And that's how they shaped last season. Even now, with the previous clipping in Bonisayon, Lo, it was Uvilagazi, Lo, Cheslet, Uveli Baila, Umunyani is still there, Silver Fox is still there, double pivot. If I don't believe it, let me show you another still picture. Nakia, I'll do one better. Show you last season. People only move. And these are the 3 set defenders. Watch what will happen. This double pivot, half 10, half 10. Half 10, half 10. Same thing now this season. I spoke about how Chiefs structure themselves when they have the ball. Now, this is when they don't have the ball. It's a 4-4-2 and it's a 4-2-4 Maba press. Now you have Uchislet la, you have Uveli Paila. Why did they switch? I'll show you in another video with kusuke kwenzakaleni ma change it. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as masi shiftile, you need to know what to do in that position. Angithi good bapressile yeah iScotland na ayikho mnandi angithi in terms of building up, but what I like from uDe Cruz into ayenzile to defense Chiefs is to keep the line, to keep the straight line, not good manje njalo thina mele sigijime. No, you understand, we don't have to drop, we have to keep a straight line. It's what has impressed me so far when it comes to their defending or their structure when they don't have the ball. In the beginning of the video I spoke about the Chiefs when they have the ball, when they have the ball here or when they have the ball here, phambili baya change. Let me show you ukuthi bengikhuluma ngani. Then I'm going to show you why Chislett was on the wing in that previous video. Sharp. Now, just want you to watch very carefully. Now, ngiyayiphosa la. Chislett lo Silver Fox angithi sharp. It's the back four. And at the moment, you see where Umunyani is. Uvila ukuthi uku angithi sharp. Now, this is the first one. What they want to do here, they want to draw one of the center back of these center backs. It's either bapushe la, ispace isivuleke la. Angithi if that doesn't happen, it's okay. Uzobabona ukuthi bazoyenzani. They are going to shift. But what I like from Scotland is bayenzeni bashaye a high line. Angithi sharp. Ball comes to the left. Now Chislett is playing as a half 10 angithi. Now watch what happens. Now Chislett sekala uvelipayo wenzani? Uvelipayo moves into this position. Watch what happens here. Seka kuba ngathi manje is a winger. Remember what I said ukuthi they switched positions angithi sharp. Now look at where Uvila is. Now, right? He's no more there. Angithi Uvila needs to what? Uvila needs to drop in here. Silva needs to stay because ukuza la uvala le space lesaka Vila. There's no need for you to rush there. Everyone needs to keep their position. Angeke sizwe ama player 2 amuvele endaweni eyi1. So Silver Fox needs to stay here. Angithi Silver Fox needs to stay there. Now sharp. Watch what will happen. Angithi uvile utropile la kune space la. We play it there. It's simple. It's a simple movement. They did it last year. If you think ukuthi ngikhuluma manga, go and watch TX Galaxy versus the Kaizer Chiefs or Kaizer Chiefs versus TX Galaxy, AFNB. The same movement, the same scripted plays, same scripted movement or pattern of plays. Abanye bathi pattern of plays. Chiefs did it last season. Go le Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, there were 2 mistakes from Scotland FC, but it was not a fluke. This goal was not a fluke. Ball comes to the left. Maivalekile mfana ngithi Sky Foster skaba mzekezeke. Switch the ball. Now, I want you to watch this. Now, Chislett no Vila ngithi bakuphi ba kuma half 10 position. But now it is 2 against 1 here. And it's 2 against 1. Okay, sharp. This small run. Now, this center back. Now, he went there kancane. Ahamba no Silver Fox, but uvule ispace la. Chislett, the white cheese. Uyenzani? He makes the run there. No communication la. Boy 2. Play the ball inside. Phakathi. Inside. That small anyana run. This goal was not a fluke. I've said it before, Uguti. The 2 players as the Chiefs, whether Chislett or whether he's a striker, when they make runs or when they make a movement, it confuses the defenders. Kwenzakaleni with the right center back lapaya. confused, dizzy, didn't know what to do. The best teams in the world, one of the good things about Good Nile is counter-attack or break attack. Something that Kaizer Chiefs, that they need to work on, right? I think most of their goals, after watching this game, most of their goals, I think Bazos on a counter-attack or break attack. When you get into these positions, you need to do better. You get into this position, you need to do better. Let me show you another clip. Nakia, Bolale Scotland, good pressing from the Chiefs. They keep their line. Scotland ifuna ukudlala. Chiefs yenzani? You win the ball. Should have done better la Uville. I think Begasab, boy. I think Begasab. But I repeat, one of the things that makes great teams, or that makes teams to win league or trophies, any trophy, is a counter-attack, a break attack. You get those chances, you have to finish them. The next clip, it's a move that I've been speaking about ever since Nkuluma Coach Chiefs, right? With the Cruz. This is what he likes. I'm gonna play it and then I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna play it and then I'm gonna take it back. Unfortunately, la Chiefs yenzani iba offside. Linesman phakamisa flag. But this is how this guy plays. This is how this guy plays. Now, we goal kick Chiefs. And it's sharp. Goal kick Chiefs. This is Cheslet la. And it's Cheslet here. This is Silver Fox. See, Tatigan sharp here. Now, remember what I said, Guti. The striker and Cheslet can be Cheslet or it can be Shabalala. They are going to drop, or Uzozanga Pau Cheslet, you know, half 10 position. They are going to drop. And if they drop, they want to exploit his space. Remember, it's the defense line, midfielder, and striker. So they want to exploit the line between the midfielders and the defenders. They are going to be inside the pocket. So now, if we are the ones defending, this guy, because the ball is on the left-hand side, AA Chiefs, this guy needs to go with the guy that's there. Basically, Zosala 3 at the back. Now, let me take it back, Gangan. You have a midfielder la, and it trying to block this passing lane. No, Mpanagiti. This is your man. Because Ukate, this side, Baljaliile still. And it Baljaliile, and then umuntu wakho wenzeni. Seka free. Baljala kumuntu wakho. Now, this guy is too late. It's too late. Let's have it on set. Sibe 3 la. Then you are the one who's supposed to go. Press Silver Fox. Now, in movement here, Chiefs, this is what they want. Ute Cruz, yinta ifunayo la. Uguti. When Mark Dropper 2, kube ne confusion kuma defenders bangazi ukuthi bayenze. But now, you need players that are going to be smart. Emma winging. You can't be offside. I don't know why I'm a winger athanda ukuba straight line. Athanda ukuma straight nama defense. I don't know why. Because Pumile kamnandi la. Now we go and attack. Yeah, maybe Cheslet na Cheese na maybe expiry is supposed to pass the ball in before it will expire. Okay, sharp, but the league hasn't started, but it's something that they need to work on. Good movement, good pattern of play for me. I like it. Second half. Yeah, I'm just going to show you 2 clips. The second half. Remember, right? Yes, the last game of preseason. So you always want to see the same movement as the players abazongena. Now, the Chiefs, if again, Utuba, the keeper, Uvelipai. Now, Uvilagaz is on the left-hand side. Ne? Sharp. Now, you look at where Utuba is. And it's sharp. This was where Uvilagaz was in the first half. Okay, sharp. I'm just showing you the scripted movement as the Chiefs. And it half 10. Now we choose to Sasela. And it half 10. Perfect. Sharp. Now, this irritates me. This thing, Tina South Africa, we don't develop players to go overseas. We develop players to play with PSA. If it's touch, you need to be fit. Okay, watch this. The ball comes to Umunyani. The winger ilaphaya nali ibhola lezo so. Your first touch is supposed to be liyele phambili, not good to trap ibhola bese liba. Guys, you need to know how to trap the ball. Mabathi trap ibhola basho ukuthi njalo ibhola lakho kumele libe la eduzane nawe. Ibhola liyeza you cushion the ball liya le siya phambili. Kune space la, but when bafethu, I know a lot of people abayibonanga le or don't know the difference, but you look at where this guy is. They play the ball. Your first touch should be there, not here. I need to spumile. The purpose is good to spum. They play the ball, siyapuma. Then we go on attack. But your first touch, iba kuphi usifaka bheka boo. Bafethu. Final clip bese ngiyayivaya. Now, I'm just showing you the positional play Chiefs. Now, this system is a good system, but it just wants if unama player wayo, and I don't think it Chiefs in now. Okay, sharp. This is Utuba, this is Ucheslet here. And it's sharp. Double pivot. And it's double pivot. Now, the ball comes this side. Switch the ball. Hey, I get frustrated than Umikai. Switch the ball. I want you to watch Coach Chiefs Gutienza. Watch Coach Chiefs. After passing the ball, watch Umikai. Look at the coach. He's telling Umikai Guti, Vula, move this side so that if he can pass the ball, you are at an angle where you can control the ball. This system, Kaizer Chiefs needs to buy players that are able to play the ball from the back. The best teams in the world, they are able to start the ball and keep the ball at the back. Now, Pegale shot le, boom. Hey, okay, sharp. We continue. Ibola lenzeni altinti there. Plays in the middle. Now, this is the new guy. Okay, sharp. Angeke ngimjudge. Still, akana 10 days of figure. But when you are here, I need you are in the pocket. Yeah, you are in the pocket. As soon as you get the ball, you have to turn with the ball. See that we are turn out. Look at where Utuba is. So angeke ngimcriticize kangako. Even the pass now, they are bengekho delicious. Because had he turned the ball, siyakhona ukuphuma because siyithula. Sina senzani? Sibuyisela ibhola ku goalkeeper. Now we play it long. It's the simple things. Ngeke ufune team iphase ibhola when you don't have the right ingredients. Ufuna ukwenza ipizza mara awuna dough kanjani? Bafethu. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't be jealous, bafethu. Share this video with other kids. Share. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.